Hello friends. In the last lecture we have got idea about pharmaceutical products from the topic that is the pharmaceutical industry. Hello, I'm myself Dr. Mali, Department of Botany, TC College, Baramati. Here today we have to get idea about one of the interesting plant that is to be used in the medicines. As a medicine I have to say that is Adulsa. What is its botanical name? Its botanical name is Adulsa, Hadathoda vasaka. Common name Adulsa, vasaka, Hadathoda are there. This plant belongs to the family Acanthaceae. And for your kind information, this plant parts which are used, which contains, I have to say that the active principles, that is fresh and dried leaves used commonly. But sometimes the flower, fruits and seeds are also used. But most of time, commonly the fresh and dried leaves of the Adulsa plant are used. That you have to keep in mind. What are the macroscopic characteristics that are of this plant? The leaves 12 to 20 centimeter long and 2.5 to 6 centimeter in a broad size. Leaves are ovate in shape, lanceolate in shape, ovate and lanceolate. The margins of the leaves are entire, slightly circinate. The leaf surface is a glabrous, slightly pubescent. The leaves are thin, leathery in texture. So these are the macroscopic characteristics. Other are the leaves shows a reticulate venation with prominent midrib and 8 to 10 pairs of a lateral veins are there. The leaves are petiolate and shows opposite phyllotaxy. The young leaves are light green in color, while the other older leaves are dull brown in color. The leaves are with characteristic odor is there and definitely bitter in taste. That's why when we are preparing a decoction of this leaves of a Adulsa as a syrup and used against the bronchitis or whenever the fellow is suffering from bronchitis. This is actually the plant and the phyllotaxy and the structure you will be able to see of the plant. Now, what are the chemical constituents of the Adulsa? Chemical constituents are of this Adulsa Hadathoda vasaica plant are volatile oils are there, non-nitrogenous in crystal and substances like the betaine and vaccine. Vascine is there. Crystalline bitter alkaloid, that is a vacines, vasicone, vacicinone. These are the quinazoline derivatives, adathodic acids are there. Common products that we can prepare with the help of this Adulsa plant is that, or already prepared by the many fellow. Adulsa cup syrup is there. Vasaka liquid extract is there. Vasaka syrup is there. Vasaka liquid extract and Vasaka syrup we have already understood. Now the medicinal, what are the uses of this Adulsa plant? It is a expectorant and bronchoid dilator to cure the cough, chronic bronchitis and asthma, दमा आणि डांग्या खोकला, साधा खोकला यावरती हे उपयोगी आहे. Along with that, it is a diuretic and antispasmodic. Extract of the leaves used in dysentery and diarrhea. Lip poultice is applied over the fresh wounds, rheumatic joints and inflammatory swelling. The dried leaves of smoked as a cigarette to get the relief from the asthma. So, for your kind information, they are preparing a bidi of a leaves of a Adulsa plant and they are giving to the fellow to smoke who is suffering from a asthma. The roots are effective in respiratory diseases, diphtheria and malaria fevers. The poultice of a fresh flower is kept on the eyes to cure the ophthalmia. Isn't it, in case of the some diseases of a eyes? With this, my friends, I have to say to you the thank you very much. But this point, this plant is a very much important to you. You will have to concentrate on that one and learn many more things from this in detail. You will have to collect the, or you will have to grow the Adulsa at your places. So that will help you to understand about the use. Again, you can prepare the decoction of that. A very simple method is that you have to take a fresh or dried leaves of that one and boil 2 to 3 leaves. You have to boil in 100 ml of the water, isn't it? And then you will have to add the sugar of a required amount and filter it, and the filtered can be used as a I have to say that the syrup. With this, my friends, thank you very much. See you soon.